What is up, you guys? It is the Morgan Plays, and today we are doing a competition between Gobblegum and Fate and Fortune cards. So, let's get into this. First up, we're going to be talking about Gobblegums, and I find Gobblegums were more of an excitement. I kind of saw that they were going to make Gobblegums for Infinite Warfare, but they ended up making Fate and Fortune cards. But the Gobblegum system was like one of my favorite things in Black Ops 3 ever. I had got Perkaholics a few times, and I loved it so much. What I loved a lot was how they added new Gobblegums every DLC. There was a lot of really good ones, and then there was a lot of bad ones. But let's just keep it. Yeah, but the Liquid Divinium was a very good idea, and I loved the system that they did. You get 3 per pack, and so let's go ahead and talk about the Fate and Fortune cards. So to get a Fate and Fortune card, you needed to buy a zombie crate, a common or rare. You would get 2 supply drop cards or like gear, and then you'd get your Fate and Fortune pack that contained 3 cards. And I liked the system, but I didn't like how you could always get common Fate and Fortune cards. That's what I don't really like. I always pull commons, but when I get rare supply drops, I don't understand what they did. What I like a lot is how you can just keep getting your Fate and Fortune cards. Like with the Gobblegum, if you ran out of one Gobblegum that you had, you cannot get any more unless you got it out of the Gobblegum machine. But in this, you can restock your Fate and Fortune cards. One thing I didn't really like about the Fate and Fortune cards, how it was just a card with a small little circle that had a little symbol, but I wish it was a lot bigger and it showed more things. The Gobblegum was like so much better. There was ultra rares and all sorts of cool stuff. So if I had to choose, I would say I like the Gobblegum more than the Fate and Fortune. Yeah. In Black Ops 3, Zombies is a lot better than Infinite Warfare, even though I love Infinite Warfare and I love Spaceland Zombies. It gets a lot of hate, but I actually prefer Gobblegum over the Fate and Fortune. And that will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Peace out, and goodbye.